Okay, this is now the video where I explain to you guys something. I have bad news. No one participated for my Google form. I got one response for one comment I left on a Scratch profile on one of my friends, and I haven't got that much replies. So I'm going to do 8 ideas from AI. Alright, let's do it. Okay. Now, in order to do this act, we have to go to the ideas section of the Scratch website. Just wait a minute and something will pop up. There is an idea generator. It says, if you need project ideas, use the Scratch Tools Idea Generator. It's a very helpful tool that I use to make me get drives for making Scratch projects. So let's just make them now. Last time I did this AI project challenge, I did 3, but now I'm doing 8. So let's do it. Okay. It says, make a... That's too hard. I can't understand that. Make a spaceship tutorial that has an economy. Maybe even to try it in just 6 sprites. Okay, let's hit the create button and do it. It's either gonna be like 8 projects or less. I just know it's going to be more than my last AI video. Alright, let's see if there's like a spaceship in here in the Scratch library. Okay, so space. Okay, there's a rocket ship and a planet. Let's do the rocket ship first. Let's remove the Scratch Cat sprite and make our rocket ship be in the center of the canvas. Now let's say, when flag clicked, go to 0, 0, which is the complete front position of the Scratch canvas, as you can see on the canvas. Forever. We will type the frame rate as 0.3 seconds. Next costume. Now our spaceship is moving, but I think it's going a little slow. So let's do this 0.1 seconds. That looks pretty neat. Now let's add a background. This background is gonna be space. There is a space category, so I'm just gonna click on that. And now we get a bunch of space areas. I'm going to pick the stars background. Now let's wait a minute and it will show up. Now let's add some planets. Let's search up some more. Now let's search up space. And here we got the Earth. I have the perfect idea. Let's just find the earth. Let's put it in the corner here. Now, we are going to pick another sprite. We're going to go back to the search bar and type in space again. And then we're going to get Saturn. Just wait a few seconds. And Saturn will show up. Now let's put Saturn right in the corner here. Now, let's actually go back to the Choose a Sprite library, and we're going to search space again. We're going to search space again, and we're going to get the sun. And now, we wait, and then we will get our sun. There. Now let's put it right in the corner here. And it kind of looks like it's orbiting all around these planets, Earth, Saturn, and the sun. Now we will title our project Space Economy. I actually don't know how to spell economy, so I'm just gonna type simulator with an exclamation mark for cute marketing. Let's refresh so the project actually shares. And boom, that's our project. And I did it in less than 6 sprites. Actually, 4 sprites. Here's the project for y'all. Now, let's go back to the Ideas tab and get another idea. What will I create? So let's just wait a minute and we'll get our idea generator. I don't think that's good. Okay, let's make a desert clicker, I guess. Let's go to create. Alright, we are now in the Scratch editor. Now, we are going to delete the Scratch Cat, go to the stage. Now we're going to choose a background. Now we are going to pick the desert. And there it is. Now we are going to capture the background by using the select tool and dragging it. Now you want to click Control C and then hit Paint a Sprite and then Control V. Control or CRTL for better explanation. Now we will remove our desert backdrop, and we still have our desert backdrop, but it's a sprite, so we can actually click it and stuff. And there's more blocks in a sprite than a backdrop. Now let's make it go to the middle. When the green flag is started or clicked, set size to 100% and go to the middle of the screen or the center. Now, we will do a separate script. When the sprite is clicked, change size by 10, and then wait a second, and then return back to normal. Alright. Now once we click the desert, it will pop up like it has an animation. Now we will make our title of our project Desert Clicker. Now let's hit the big orange share button. We will refresh our Scratch, and then it's actually shared now. Alright, now let's create another project, but again, first we're going to go to the Ideas tab and get a new idea. And if it's good, I'm going to create it. Okay, make an airplane parallax. Okay, let me just make a simple parallax. It's not gonna look that good, but we'll do it. I have created a parallax in the past, and it was like a sunrise, and it was super calm and cute. But I haven't done one in a while, so this isn't gonna be that over the top like my old thing. Should we just do a surprise sprite? Okay, let's just do this. Monette. I think that's her name. Monette, okay. When flag clicked, go to this position forever. Go to mouse pointer. Now, once we click the green flag, we see that Monette follows our mouse pointer. Alright, now we will title this Monette Parallax. Maybe it's 2 L's. Okay, I guess that's right. Sorry, cough break. Alright. Let me refresh so it's actually shared because it's labeled unshared right now. Okay. It plays the same even when out of the project editor. Now let's go back to ideas. Let's wait for a bit. Now there's the idea generator. Now let's generate. Super huge note block. I don't know what that is. I don't know how to do a tutorial in Scratch. I already did the spaceship one. Okay. I'm going off the rails with this one. Alright. Okay, now we're going to create a simple mountain. Let's hit the paint a sprite button. Now we will proceed to draw our mountain. Alright. Now we will do the white shade but make it a little grayer, because that's the color of a mountain. And let's set the brush size to about 50. Now let's draw away. And let's add like a bottom part. And in the project you won't see it, to make it look like it's actually longer than it actually is. Like we're at the tip of the iceberg. Now we're going to go back to the paint tool. We're going to select black now and add a little shades. There, looks perfect. And AI said that I have to make it a supermarket. Now let's label it supermarket. Alright. Now let's put it like on the bottom here. Maybe go to the select tool. Now we're going to add an outline. You can't do an outline in the original text editor. So there, it looks perfect. Alright, now we're going to title this Mountain Supermarket. Alright. Oh my god, this video is 18 minutes long by the time I'm recording this. Actually, almost 19. I said 19 the same time, it just became 19 minutes. Luckily, I just have one more project to do. So let's go to the, actually not the explore page. We go to the ideas page. Alright. Now we are going to hit the generate button. Ocean platformer. I think this is gonna be like the most ambitious project yet. Ow, my finger, I hurt my finger. Right. Okay. Now we're going to paint a sprite. Now we're going to make a box. So we're gonna do the box tool. We're gonna make it like an ocean color because this is an ocean platformer. So now I'm going to hit the shift button on my keyboard to make it a perfect square. If you do it, your square will have no flaws at all, guaranteed. Okay. Now, when green flag clicked, go to X forever if let's make it like forever if else. So if then else right arrow key pressed. I'm going to add 2 point in direction forward blocks. But it might doesn't matter because it's literally a square with no motion. Alright. Point in direction 90, change X by 10. Now, we're actually going to add another if then to the else. Left arrow key pressed. Now we will add 2 set rotation style to left/right blocks. Point in direction -90, which is counterclockwise. Now we will do change X by -10 for it to go to the left way. Now once we do our arrow keys, if I click the right, it goes right. If I do the left, it goes left. Okay, now we're going to title this Ocean Platformer. Share. Refresh. There. See you guys later. Bye-bye. See you guys in my next video. This is my longest video. Oh my